What up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about, can I have a lot of keys on my key ring? Yes and no. We're going to go with the yes part because if you have a push to start, yeah. Because only thing you got to do is have the keys in your pocket, get in the car, push the button, and you gone. You know what I'm saying? No. Because of the fact that the sensitive ignition switch can get damaged. Over time, it would get damaged. Too much weight, you know, gravity brings the weight down. So if you got a lot of keys on your key ring, like me, I have a lot of keys on my key ring. So I got the Gen Coupe and the Sonata key. So, and the Sonata, I don't have a push to start, so this is how it is with my key in the car. So this is me putting light pressure on it and it's weighing it down. But if I would put more pressure on it, I can push it back up. But over time, this is what it's doing to it. You're messing up your ignition switch because the center of gravity bringing the weight of your keys all the way down. You pushing it in. See, you putting the key in the ignition switch. For example, say, so my key pop out, boom. But this is how it is actually in there, messing it up the whole time. So, yeah. So, how many keys can you have on your key ring? I suggest 3 or 4. That's the most you should have on your key ring because of the fact that you don't want to mess up your ignition switch. Over time, it will mess up and you have to replace it. Yeah, the ignition switch broke. Because, and then they were like, oh, can you bring your keys? And you bring a bunch of keys like this to your to the dealer. They were like, oh, well, ma'am, this is the problem right here. You have too many keys on your key ring. You need to take some of them off. Or sir. So yeah, if you got to push to start like me in the Gen Coupe, I don't really use the key fob area to start at the car. I actually just have the key in my pocket, push to go. That's it. But me driving in the Sonata, this is how it is every time. The center of gravity, this is how it is. So I'm not even applying that much pressure. This is me applying pressure and it's still hurting my hand right now. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Speed fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.